Okay, real talk. I'm on a mission today. Can I actually get radiant, glowing skin at home in just minutes, with no fancy products and zero filters? That's what we're about to find out. If you're like me, you already know the struggle. Acne, oily skin, breakouts before picture day, or that dull. Why do I look so tired? Vibe that hits out of nowhere. I've been there. Honestly, I still go through it. But here's the thing, getting your glow back isn't as complicated or expensive as it may seem. So today, I'm challenging myself to give my skin some love using easy, natural remedies you can do right at home, and I'm bringing you along with me. We're not just doing this for fun, we're doing this to feel good in our skin without the stress. Let's start with the truth, our skin shows what's going on inside. Stress, not sleeping enough, skipping water for soda, oops, it all adds up. Add that to hormones and school pressure, and yeah, your skin's basically like, I need a break. But guess what? A solid skincare routine doesn't need to be expensive or overwhelming. It just needs to be smart, simple, and consistent. So if you're tired of hearing the same advice that doesn't work, keep watching, I've got tips people rarely talk about, and they've made a huge difference for me. Let's start with one of the most overlooked steps, cleansing the right way. Not just using whatever's in the bathroom, but using a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. If your face feels tight after washing, it's probably too harsh. I like using a mild, fragrance-free cleanser, especially one with ingredients like glycerin or aloe vera. Cleansing right helps everything else work better. Next up, exfoliating, but not overdoing it. If you're scrubbing your face every day with gritty scrubs, your skin's probably mad at you. Instead, try a natural enzyme mask once a week. I love mashing up a little papaya, yes, the fruit, applying it for 10 minutes, and rinsing it off. It gently removes dead skin and instantly gives you that brighter look. Now let's talk hydration. Even if you have oily skin, you still need moisture. When your skin is dehydrated, it actually produces more oil to compensate. Wild, right? I use a lightweight gel moisturizer with hyaluronic acid or aloe vera. It keeps my skin plump without clogging pores. Alright, let's get into some fun, do-it-now DIYs you can literally make in your kitchen. DIY number 1, the Honey Plus Oatmeal Mask. So simple, so good. Mix raw honey with blended oats until you get a paste. Apply it to your skin and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. It soothes redness, calms breakouts, and adds hydration, especially great for sensitive or irritated skin. DIY number 2, Cucumber Plus Aloe Refresh. Slice a cucumber and apply aloe vera gel to your face. Then lay the cucumber slices on top. It's super relaxing and amazing for calming puffiness. Bonus, it smells like a spa. DIY number 3, Tea Tree Oil for Breakouts. This one's gold for acne-prone skin. Dab a drop of tea tree oil, mixed with a little water or aloe, directly on breakouts. It has antibacterial powers that zap zits without overdrying your skin. Just don't overdo it, once a day is plenty. Now, ready for my top trick that works fast? Ice cubes on your face. Seriously. Wrap one in a clean cloth and gently rub it over your skin for a couple of minutes. It shrinks pores, reduces redness, boosts circulation, and instantly wakes your face up. You'll literally see your skin get smoother and brighter. Sometimes I freeze green tea or rose water in an ice cube tray just to take it to the next level. Now here's a tip most people don't mention. Wash your pillowcases. Like, regularly. Bacteria, oils, hair products, it all builds up. If your skin keeps breaking out and you've tried everything else, try switching your pillowcase every 3 to 4 days. You'll be surprised. And while we're at it, clean your phone screen too. Think about it, you're pressing it against your cheek all day. A quick wipe with alcohol can help keep breakouts away. Let's not forget the most important thing, consistency. None of these tricks matter if you only do them once. Glowing skin comes from building a habit, even a 5-minute routine before bed can change your skin over time. So here's what I want you to do, pick 1 or 2 tips from today and try them tonight. Whether it's the honey oat mask, the ice cube trick, or just washing your pillowcase, start somewhere. Your skin doesn't need perfect, it just needs care. To sum it all up, we covered a lot. White heavy checkmark, cleansing gently. Natural exfoliation with papaya. DIY masks with ingredients from your kitchen. Ice for instant glow. Easy habits that make a huge difference. Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest skin struggle right now, and which tip are you trying first? And if you have your own glow up trick, drop it down there too. I love learning from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're all about natural beauty on a budget, and check out my other videos for more skincare hacks you'll actually use. Remember, your glow doesn't come from filters or pricey products. It comes from how you take care of you. See you in the next one. Let's keep glowing together. Good.
Bye.